everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is extra special because we hit an incredible milestone, 5,000 subscribers. Can you believe it? I am honestly so grateful and excited to be celebrating this with all of you. Looking back, it's amazing to see how far we've come. Whether you've been with me since the beginning or just joined the community, I want to say a massive thank you. Your support means the world to me, and I wouldn't be here without you. This channel started as a way to share my passion for Impressionist photography, and it's grown into something so much bigger than I ever imagined. It's not just about the art, it's about connecting with you, hearing your stories, and being part of a community that appreciates creativity and beauty in all its forms. I love reading your comments and seeing how much the content resonates with you. It's truly inspiring and motivates me to keep creating and pushing the boundaries of what we can explore together. But this channel isn't just about what I want to create, it's about what you want to see too. So let me know in the comments what you would love to explore together next. Whether it's more advanced techniques, behind the scene of my shots, or something entirely different, I am all ears. Once again, thank you so much for being here, for watching, liking, commenting and sharing. Here is to next 5,000 and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.